Welcome to the reset.
This is very stylish.
So today I'm going to be doing this style. I've been living off of that style for forever. So I'm going to take you through basically my installation process of putting in my mini twist and talking about what I'm resetting for 2026. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so one thing I've done about resetting is I'm no longer following any of the black girl curl methods at all. You can watch a video where I talk about that. So for me, this has been almost 2 weeks, maybe 12 days since I washed my hair. Only because I kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. But the one thing I'm resetting about in 2026 is listening to my hair, getting regular cuts, and using products that work for what my hair can do. So honestly, I've been using Murray's grease for my twist, for my mini twist. I'm going to show y'all. And it tends to be like a waxy or whatever. And I don't wear my hair in mini twist all the time. I tend to do wash and goes and mini twist and twist outs. But for the past I would say the past month, few weeks, post-surgery, and I'll talk about that in a future video, I've been doing mini twist, and they've been easy because I've been able to maintain them at the gym. A lot of the product with coconut oil, so it's kind of like a pre-poo, but I comb through it so I can get all the wax out, and then I'm going to wash it, blow dry it, and then come back and install the twist and talk about my other resets. Stay tuned. So another reset that I'm doing is using the products that work for my hair. And the dew always works for my hair, even though it might not be on a top list. For me, it has always done its job. And I'm resetting financially because I'm going to always watch my budget when it comes to hair products, and I'm going to always use accessible and affordable hair care because it makes sense for my life. And I will never follow any stylist or person online that only encourages me to purchase high-end products. So Murray's pomade, even though it's heavy and waxy, I make sure that I clarify. I make sure I clarify my hair after I use it. So I use it, and the hold and the definition is beautiful. I use it for my tight curls. So it's within my budget. It works well. And that's how I'm resetting financially is I'm using things that are accessible that I can get at a Walgreens, that I can get at a local grocery or beauty supply store. Another thing I'm resetting is my time. I want to make sure that if I do mini twist, this is going to last me for at least 10 days because the last set was like 11 days. I used 5 days with the twist in and 5 days with the twist out. And it really helps me become more active. And I don't have to worry about my hair and sweating out a wash and go. So mini twists have been working for me, and I keep them in for about 5 days. I let them out for 5 days, and it's the most beautiful twist out ever. And I'm just really taking my time, making sure that they look uniform and beautiful and neat like this. So this is the finished product, and I hope that you enjoyed my reset. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments.